What's up, people? It's your girl Olivia here. What up, people? It's your girl Olivia here. I got my girl
Ziggy Smalls.
Ziggy Smalls in the house.
Hey.
Well, the f***'s showing, but that's fine. I have a very special guest here with me today.
My name is Andrew Jenks.
What's up, everyone? It's your girl Olivia here, and I have... I'm sorry. My boy here! Alright, and then that was the intro.
Good. I think we nailed it.
Today, you'll say hello to my little friend, Chlamydia. My God, that sounds like a sexy telenovela star. Hola, 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 hola. Yo soy Chlamydia. Kind of? Maybe not. When did you know that you had depression?
I always felt, really since I can remember, that something was off. And I can remember this pretty well in high school. Pretty specific melancholy or sadness.
Your why has to be something strong. You have to be passionate about it. Don't be pushed into medicine. Let something pull you into it. So what would you have to say to teens where they're feeling like left out or like they're an outsider?
You know, it's okay to be an outsider. You know, you can make friends with people who are going through the same thing you are.
I'm going to be going through the contents of a rape kit so that you and your friends are aware of what's inside.
I am a second-year medical resident. I'm a type 1 diabetic, and I'm an artist. Type 1 is what usually is in adolescence. The most common age of diagnosis is between 7 and 12.
He cheated on me. I was devastated. I not only had suicidal thoughts, I actually attempted suicide at 19.
And today we're talking about sexual harassment in the workplace. And I know a little bit about this topic because I personally have been sexually harassed in the workplace. So for all of those doctors out there who have sexually harassed me in the workplace, don't worry, I won't drop any names. But just remember, the next time you decide to sexually harass a woman in the workplace, she may have a YouTube channel.
Think about what a parent is. They literally raise you to be an amazing person, and that's not gonna happen sitting, crying, wishing, hoping, feeling guilty. That's gonna happen with you living your life and living it in honor of them. That's all they want, is their kids to be happy.
One of my favorite failure quotes is this: I never lose, I either win or grow. I've failed many times in my life. Here are a few to start off with.
I grew up always confident. I've always been very confident, very comfortable in my skin, and then I decided to become a bikini fitness queen. When I wasn't in crazy ripped shape that only happened in like the weeks leading up to the show, I crumbled. I would pick my stomach every time I look in the mirror. Are my abs still there? They're not. I'm fat. And I never experienced that kind of body dysmorphia ever.
I said I did not want to have sex, and he put his penis inside of me anyway. I felt guilty. He was someone I knew and trusted. That doesn't mean that he's excused for his actions for having penetration sex with me without my consent.
There's no wrong place to come out.
Exactly.
Ever.
There's no right place to come out. There's no wrong place to come out. There's no right or wrong way to do it.
Yo, go to Taco Bell, it's right out the window. Yo, what's up, girl? Thanks for the taco. By the way, I'm gay.
Just practice.
Get that fire sauce.
So hopefully teens out there connected with your story. Until next time, peace out, mi gente. That's it. Peace out, mi gente.
Peace out.
Peace out, mi gente.
Ciao, ciao.
Peace out.